Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A60 and I'm going to show you how to allow the camera to scan QR codes, so we don't need any other app to do it. So we start with the press on the camera button here, and now we go to the advanced settings of the camera at the left corner. And as you can see, here we are in the camera settings. At the first place we have the intelligent features, and here we have the scan QR codes button. So by tapping on this we can easily turn it off and on. So I recommend you to keep turning it on, because here we can scan QR codes without any other app, and this is useful. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.